Layaways are a unique type of sale where the customer may put down a deposit on an item or have an item held for in-store pickup at a later date. Before using layaways in your store, it's important to set up your layaway deposit percentage. Open General Preferences and then select Layaways and Orders. Here you can set the default percentage that will be taken as a down payment on layaway transactions. You can set this to 0 if you do not require a deposit up front. This checkmark can be used to estimate the item's sales tax and include it in the deposit rather than a future payment. The layaway receipt footer can be used to include a brief description on the receipt with any terms that may apply to a layaway transaction in the store. The checkbox at the bottom of this page allows you to automatically lock invoices that are in a working state to prevent them from being edited without being unlocked first. First, add the item to the invoice. Then, change the transaction type drop-down box to Layaway. The total price at the bottom of the invoice will update to reflect the minimum deposit due. Select the payment method the customer is using to post the invoice, just like any other sale. When the customer returns to the store to pick up the item, the customer's invoice can be found in Working Invoices. You can also see all of the items currently on layaway by using the Layaway Status utility in Sales and then Utilities. If the customer has the receipt from the initial transaction, the barcode can also be scanned into any invoice search window to find the working invoice. Once you have the invoice, unlock it. Then press the Order and Layaway button. Either enter the new deposit amount in the required deposit field, or if the customer is ready to take the item home, mark the item as shipped in the column to the right. As items are marked as shipped, they will be removed from the remaining column, and the invoice will require the remaining price of the item be paid by the customer. Select the payment method, enter the amount, and then post the invoice. After all items on the layaway are sold or returned, the working invoice will be closed. Thank you for tuning in to this POSIM Evo video tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to POSIM Tech Support by phone, email, or chat with us on our website.